Good day, everyone. Let me begin by presenting my hackathon project and also the team name. We call it Memoize. Oh yeah, just to give an overview, I'm also a one-man team for building this project. So what I have developed here is building an applications to store vehicle information on the blockchain. So without further ado, let's get started. The inspirations was started with the intentions to purchase a second-hand car. After much research of searching online, I managed to find the dream car until I visited the dealer and slowly discovered so much of the information that was falsely advertised. The frustration is there, and of course what I did was thinking out what if those information can be found online and make people's search is much easier. So the advantage of putting it in a blockchain allows information to be immutable. That is, the middleman or dealer won't be able to falsify information for the next buyers anymore. Also, the structures of the blockchain is available publicly and searchable. This allows publics to do better due diligence before their next big purchase. However, since this is just a hack idea, the product is not well covered and tested with the market. So right off, I can just put it like it requires extra effort just to help keep those information, and it might just turn off most users. Also, it requires people to start using it first so that the buyers or the next buyers can search the information on the blockchain. So yeah. Let me just get started with the demo then. Here's the demo product that I managed to complete, and yeah, let's just try it out. So in short, it requires a user to have an EOS account, and they have to start by getting the EOS account, and they can register here, which is the GRI since I'm posted in the testnet. So let's go through from the testnet. Get to the account name and also the private key. So the private key and I copy, and that's, yeah, you should be able to log it in. And here, yeah, so this is how you started. You can just if you have a new vehicle, you can just like add in a vehicle to track it. So I'm just going to add one new here, and you see there's so you can add multiple vehicles. So a single account can track multiple vehicles. So let's just go in again. So as you can see, you can, for every vehicle, you can actually update their information. For me, it's just to keep it simple. So I'll just randomly put a chassis number, chassis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's just put a date here. Let's just put date 2015. Or manufacturer date, and this one just give it the purchase year is 2017, and you can click update. The information is loaded here. So as they go, they use the vehicle and or they send for repair, you can actually mark down the repair or the service information. So send for service, and as well as any information what part they fix aircon or etc. and just add it into the blockchain. So this is how you store. You also can add more. You can add more date here and other stuff. Yeah, just randomly. Yeah, you can go multi-line. And yeah, this information here stored here. Yeah, this. And okay, so I think that's about it. Simple applications, but it just demonstrates to you the blockchains that is stored. I have just to show the information that is stored. Let's connect to the testnet and let's look at the contracts, and you can see the contracts is basically updated with the two information that we filled in earlier, and also the vehicle number that we created. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks. Finally, what's next? Yeah, there's still a lot more works to be done as shown in my list here. I'll just leave it here for now, and yeah, cheers.